Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. It's a 42-inch LG Smart LED TV that comes to repair for the complaint white spotlight issue. See friends, these are the reasons for spotlight issue. Here you can see the LED reflectors are already fall down, so this is causing the white spotlight issue. Also some of the LEDs are not working, so in this condition here it is better to replace the entire backlight with new one. See friends, there are total 4 LED backlights are there. So let's replace it. See friends, here we installed the new model square dome LG LED backlights. The advantage of using these types of backlights are mainly because it doesn't fall down the reflectors easily. See, finally here we fitted the panel and all sockets back to TV. Here you can see now the picture is clear and the TV is working properly. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.